Hey guys, so I wanted to come to you guys real quick to show you all how I put on the Kiss Masterpiece, one of a kind, Bring Home the Salon kit in KMN02, I believe is the model number. So I already opened the box. It comes with a cuticle pusher, a small nail file, and glue. And I just wanted to show you guys the nails that come with like the matte nails and also like a chrome nail, and then one of my favorites, the diamond nails. So I'm just going through and fitting them to see which one fits my nail size, and this is what I recommend doing. Just go ahead and setting them apart, setting them aside, all 10 nails, so it makes a faster and easier application. So I already at this point have cut and filed my nails down, and I washed my hands to make sure there was no like filing dust left or any oils on my nails or anything like that. So I'm just going through and matching them up. All right, so like I said, I've already filed the bed of my nails, and what you want to do is, I did use the glue included with the nail kit, and you just have to twist it off to open it up. So I noticed that this glue is more like a gel consistency. Now you see I have some super glue. I did not use any super glue. I wanted to protect my nail, and I don't recommend super glue. I don't even know why I grabbed it, but it's like a gel consistency. So I put it actually on the nail, and then I hold it there for a few seconds until I feel like it's dry. So I don't usually put the glue directly on my nail bed. I put it on the nail and hold it for a few seconds. And if you guys get some oozing glue out the side of the nail, then wipe it off, but wipe it off in the direction like towards your skin and not towards the nail. You don't want to get any glue actually on the nail. So if you see, this looks very natural, very realistic. You want to apply it as close as the nail bed as possible. As close to the nail bed as possible. So I finished my first left hand, and I'm just filing off that little tab that's normally in the front of the nail, and look at the finished result. So quick and easy. So I'm just going to speed through this clip, once again showing you guys how I put on the nail. Really, oh my gosh, I love that nail. They really did an awesome job on these nails. They're very sturdy, especially the nail with the rhinestones on it. It's very sturdy. Now the other nails, such as like the matte color nail, I have had one bend if you try to pick up something really heavy or something like that. So the matte ones have bent, but the chrome looking ones and the ones with the rhinestones have done a really good job holding up. So like I said, very simple process. You already have the nails set aside, put a little glue and put the nail as close to the nail bed as possible and push down for a few seconds. Now remember, you want to be sure once all the nails are done to go ahead and file down that little tab in the front. And there you have it, the finished results. I love them. They look very realistic. I love them. I had them like under my light so you guys can get a better idea of the color. But they're super simple. Definitely check out this Kiss collection, Masterpiece collection. I am loving it. Love it. Definitely check it out. Super easy. I'll probably never go to a nail salon again, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Thanks. Bye.